Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. Hi, Precious. She already knows it's time. Alright. We are here. A little late. Hey, I'm not late. I'm early to the Lime takeover. I was present. I was here when it happened. I don't know what that even means, but good luck, brother. Or sorry, or whatever. Okay, good, it works. Hop. I don't know what he's saying. Anybody know why how Lime got Mow the Lawn taken down? Or, oh, sorry, unlisted? Like, what happened? Anybody know what happened? Well, it wasn't taken down. It was hidden for, like, I don't know, like, a short time this morning. It's back up, and everything's good. But, like, in the browsable games here, it wasn't shown. And apparently it wasn't also shown in-game. And there was, like, another game that had it. And conveniently, Legacy was, like, at the top. There was, like, quite a lot of people on Legacy. And it's like, think about it. Ah! And also, who do you think informed me about the topic? It's like, who told me about it, and who benefited the most? Think about it. Somebody watch him. I don't know what happened. Like, seriously though, like it was just like weird. There was like few people in the thing were talking about it. I think Facebook were just trolling because there was a yellow post right in the middle of everyone talking about it. I forget who it was. Just said like test hello, and I'm like, You know what I mean? Big I was gonna check and see if that number is real. Oh my god, it is real. Okay. It is real. So, who wants to... Okay, we need to decide what needs to go in the TerryTuber game. What... Wait, stop. I didn't stop. Wait. Wait. Am I good? Did I DC? Wait, I'm good, right? Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm good. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. Bearing trolled. So we have... Okay, I need to put like a... I need to think of a mechanic that goes in the TerryTuber overlay. That is engaging and interesting. And hopefully relatively low scope. And easy to implement. You know what I mean? The last stream? Did I? Am I being trolled? In the title? Wait. Did I not copy? Okay, I need you to prove to me right now you're not... This is gonna sound psychotic, but beg for your chatter life. I don't listen. I know he's not French, but he's acting like them, and this is their fucking bit. I can't tell if he's fucking with me or if there's something truly fucked up, but he's running the same game right now that the French people ran on me for months. You, bro, I don't know what's happening. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're saying. From my... Oh, you have ads? I'm so... And how the... Am I being fucked with? Because I have a zero tolerance for being trolled after the French people. I mean, no, it's just... Listen, brother, I'm just gonna tell you the facts, okay? And this is a warning. Don't give me free time. Because I have plenty of free fucking time. And if somebody's gonna fuck with me, I'm gonna fuck back. Alright? So don't give me the fucking time. Because you better... I need you to... What? Is happening? What's happening? Am I dumb? Am I being trolled, or am I just, like, paranoid? Am I being a dumbass? I'm so confused. It's fine, okay, whatever. Are we ignoring it? Alright. A little too much. No, trolling, no, we're not gonna downplay it as trolling me a little too much. I was banned from Twitch for like 2 weeks because of them. Well, that's not entirely accurate, but it is because of them, you know? Because nothing would have happened. I would have never been banned if they would have never, you know. Now would I've eventually, maybe, if it played out, whatever. I thought either I'm having a stroke. I don't actually know if this matters. How's it going, Louis? So, you wanna how I learn C sharp? I learned it through brute forcing through tutorial hell in Unity back starting on 2016. I tried to learn like programming in other languages like before, but basically by doing what you see me do every day. It's kind of how I learned it. Um, sorry, I'm okay. So let's lock the fuck in. I'm technically we're breaking some slight rules here, but it's fine because we're not doing anything crazy. So I need this to join. Actually, I need this to join back my server. Damn it. But no, yeah, I assume you're not. I kind of. This might just be like one of those ESL moments or whatever that I was like confused on what you're saying or whatever the fuck, or maybe I'm just completely missed the point. I am looking for Discord. So shit's I gotta re-invite this account. Fuck me. You restart the YouTube stream to see the page? Well, I mean, I was about to say something. Oh, never mind. I was about to say something stupid, but I thought of something better. You have to run the same. You have to restart the page like you restarted the leaderboards on S&box. You know. Think about it. You know who benefited the most from. It's like legacy to the top. Sej is so fucking happy. I can't believe Gary trolled us for a little bit. Oh, sorry, Mondogo. Listen, okay? Listen. Sorry, Hi, Monaco. How's it going? Sorry. Listen. Okay, to explain the chat situation, which actually ties into what today's goal is yesterday, the man who not only breaks people's game. I'm trolling when I say this, by the way. The man who not only breaks people's games with patches, broke streamer bot chat trying to help me with the thing. Fucking monster came in. So for the perspective here, the guy who did the patch that broke that guy's game from like like a week ago or a few days ago. he was in chat and he copied and pasted a message that was so you know how like in C# you have like or a ton of like F strings and what's actually called F strings in Java in Python and JS. No, not binge, not binge, not bin, not Benji, the other guy, the monster guy. But like, how you can have like this, you can have like a string, and then inside of it, like an actual C# or whatever the fuck, like 1+1 or whatever the fuck, and it will like come out to be a real string or whatever the fuck. And how other languages have different syntaxes for this, like string interpolation bullshit. Apparently, forget the exact string he put in, but it was an F string for JavaScript, or an equivalent, the string interpolation for JavaScript, for the URL to a what's it called, a something. Basically breaking everything. And now when I open up my chat here, it doesn't work. I could go delete. I need to go figure out how to clear it. Which has got me concerned about some security considerations here. A little concerned on some stuff. Web view settings. Maybe we just delete that. Nope. I don't know what's happening right now. I don't know how to unfuck this. That also reminds me, I need to go remove the French ban from the website. I still have the Cloudflare block everyone from France from going to the site. Probably should remove that. Since I kind of do have like the ultimate like card to play. If shit was to come back again, you know? I've got like a hand at least. Oh my god, he's got 130 hours in S&box, and I'm pretty sure all of it's on fucking Legacy. I saw that. Did you see that? 140 hours. Okay, so everything's working. Oh shit. Sand business is no longer? Hold on. Is it no longer or is it hidden? Because this was... Okay, so hold on. I gotta... What? I don't know what's happening. Because earlier, Mow the Lawn was hidden. And then it came back, and so was another. I don't know if they're having weird issues with something, or they're actually, like, hiding things. Or they're, like, removing stuff from... I mean, they haven't said anything that I've seen. It will nuke your game? I mean... If he nukes your game, what you do Okay, this is some advice and what I would do. Upgrade your Claude. No, what you do is you go find the name of that Jagex idler game that you probably already not idle like the incremental game. You probably already know the name of it because I'm pretty sure. I don't think you make this without knowing the name of that game. I forget the name of it. You know what I'm talking about. And be like, well, Jagex can do it. Why can't I do it? Or we get a creator code for a Claude subscription so I can, like... That's what I gotta do. You know, like those people that get, like, get what's it called to... Actually, you know what? The one thing that I would actually be fine with getting, like... If I could get free shit for, like, the voice AI stuff, so I could, like, have, like, bits or something be, tied into people's voices. Like you've seen the streamers that do it. I do know they wanted to do something and try to improve the quality of everything, and I don't know what the hell's happening. Oh my god. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait just a minute. How's it going, Rod? Or S&box is imploding or something. Apparently, every game is being taken off. Every game is currently in limbo. Gary decided to... No, we don't actually know what's happening. Okay, so... But Gary decided to remove all AI slop, and then every game got taken off. I would not call this finished. Everything's kind of like melting though. Like Mow the Lawn disappeared off the thing for a while, and then it came back, and then apparently another one is gone, and then it might come back. I don't know what's happening. Like, I think what they should do is if their goal is to remove, like, to try to like make the homepage and like the discoverability better, I think a great fucking way. And this kind of actually, I'm gonna foresee the future here. All right, hold on. I'm literally mind linked with Gary right now. We are one mind. Let's assume these are not bugs and they're like testing something. You know how on S&box you get like your stupid drop every week for doing whatever stupid, collecting bare asses on games or whatever? I think there could be the potential of make it easy, or make it like so that you can get your drops by playing newly published games or like newly updated games or whatever that are not like basically like we don't know if it's like slop or low effort or not yet. And we could kind of sort of like, now when I say this, I don't mean like this is to be the sole gatekeeper of what's on the platform. But like this could be like another thing that they use to like weigh what's shown on homepages and shit. But they kind of sort of Steam greenlight this bitch. Like imagine if something goes through that process and everyone's like, this is literally the worst thing I've ever seen, the most slop dog shit on the planet. It's like, that'd probably be fair to not put it up on like the whatever. I have not. It will display at the bottom. Yeah. Do that? Okay. I'm being told what to do. doing? We can make a game now? Oh wait, yeah. Okay, the game engine, then I remembered the thing. What's it under, man? Is it under security? Where the hell is it even? It's under here. There we go. Okay, there we go. I didn't fully remove it. I've made it. You know when you go to a Cloudflare site and it's like the interactive challenge and it like typically it just kind of goes through automatically? I did that. I'll give it a few more days before I full remove it. Oh, let me see. Oh god, I'm scared. Sorry, YouTube chat was hidden. Okay, we're good. Oh, I seen this. Somebody on the sub, I think it's somebody on the sub was like, who vibe coded a fucking Unity S&box to Unity Interesting. Oh shit, there's a man down there and he's gone. Get shit on. Yeah, you're farming this fucking idiot for money. Like, it's great. Oh shit, there's a little ant. Ah. Shit on. I can't look at him, man. My neck don't go that far right now. Look at that dude. He got hair on his head. You ever seen a terrier with hair? Me when I lie. Hey, listen. All right, the play fund right now. I think it's because the player base. The play fund is kind of feeling kind of good right now, and it is. It is. I'm not gonna lie. It's not. It's a pretty big motivator. I mean, it's definitely a motivator to stream because like you guys hopping around, even here for like a little bit, like is. I will make more money from you guys hopping. If everyone hopped on the server right now, jumped around for 15 minutes and didn't like, and then fucked off, I think I would make more money than all streaming all day on YouTube and Twitch through ad bullshit. This ain't an office school. Uh-oh. Oh, he back. Oh, he lagging his brains out. Look at that little dude. But okay, listen. Okay, what we need to do, or I'm open to suggestions right now. Something for you guys to do in the overlay that is interesting, that also kind of connects to stream somehow. Like what could we do? Like what could I make that's small in scope? Keep it like a mini game, like something that you would do like. Imagine like something that you would do in like GTA as like a fucking side thing. Like like in how you could fly the fucking drone or whatever the fuck in San Andreas, or the helicopters and stuff. Like the little RC things, like that type of scope, where it's like some little small mechanic that's like not even the main game. Though it will like tie in and, you know. I'm not kidding. I think through my if the session is less than 40 minutes, you get paid more. I think it might be. I think you might be. If I was to guess, there is like a limit to how much one person can contribute to the play fund a day, and I think maybe that's what you're hitting. Is locked behind the Netflix subscription for 6. Wait, is there really? Don't. I can never. I can never tell when Al says anything if it's trolling or not. You know what I mean? I can tell if he's trolling. I can tell if he's fucking trolling. It's real? My fucking ass cheeks are fucking white. Okay, so hold on. So basically, I need a game. Now, obviously, the paintball left-click shooter thing could be neat as fuck. But I think if I do that, I want to go through getting, like, the server authoritative physics or server authoritative, like, butt cheeks working. So, what we're doing right now, and this is gonna sound like a derailment, and it kind of is. Listen, you guys came here for this. This is what you pay for. So, we are... It's traumatizing. I'm like, oh shit, he got stuck in the floor again. But then I'm like, oh, I get it. So I need I need to give this account information. Rolls. Yeah, it's big screen too. Now you can go unmuted if you walk up real close to it, but if you get trapped in the loop, just reconnect because I don't. If you'll see what I mean. I think if you spam escape or something, you might get out. I don't actually know how the interact works. All right, I gotta go like toggle the pointer events based on like input or something, but I haven't done it yet for obvious reasons. Because everything's a derailment these days. I'm gonna give this account... I need this account to be to see... Hold on, I'm trying... Sorry, I'm not having a stroke. I'm not having an episode. We are... So moderator only. Okay. So what I need to do is I need to... Okay, one... What needs to happen is the Discord API. Okay, that's what we're doing. We're Discord botting, kind of. Then you might think, why am I not using an API? We don't talk about that. So, when we receive an opcode 7, we need to reconnect. Which would be client. We're just gonna dispose it. So, uh, oh shit! I just realized. Um, Time to reset that password real quick. Well, not the password, but the. Because I have damage in the brain stem. Let me put this in here. I might be stupid. Like professionally so. If that's not clear. Professionally fucking stupid. Leaking oh, thank you, Rob, for the sub. Don't tell me you got I don't have the ads. I don't know when ads are running because the thing. I assume you got rage baited by an ad, but still, thank you. One of these days, we're gonna unrage bait the ads. Okay, so I fixed it. Yeah, I forget what I have it set up for. Oh, if you like the physics do, does this guy have, I don't care to watch a 7-minute video, I just need to, what is the fucking, fine, I'll skim it. This is mainly what I need. Microsoft, okay, configuration. I'm pretty sure, oh shit, not pre-release. Nice. Oh my god, they're doing it. They're doing it. They almost, if they could just get one guy in the middle, they could like triple stack it and like perma block it. Okay, so the proper setup is literally after this is we have the typical builder, yeah? Yeah, okay. Hmm. You know what? You can't do what what you actually normally do because Yeah. You know what? That's fine. What I'm just gonna do. You can. I think you can like 2 or 3 man it. I don't actually. I can't see what you guys do. Sorry, I did this in the wrong project again. I gotta refresh this. Refresh. Only show the WebSocket. Go to response. Grab the token. Sorry, we are... So, you guys are gonna like this, though. This is actually something that you guys are gonna like. I'm serious. I'm gonna like it. Oh my god! What is happening? Bro, okay, listen. You guys... Okay, the kindergarten class, okay, we have a task, okay? Kindergartners, okay, we gotta... What we gotta do... Little, Terry Tots. We gotta think of something to add into the room that you guys can do that isn't the idea that turns the rug in the living room into mow the lawn. Okay? Because if we don't think of an idea, that's what I'm gonna do. Think about it. Burger car. Say it, grass. Oh my god, true. Have cats walk around or whatever. Like, that could be cool. Shh, don't mention the kitties right now. They're sleeping. About time Precious is like, chill the fuck out. So I need to... read all text to doot token.txt. Nice. Okay. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. And remove this now. I do like the idea of a burger car, though. Okay, wait. The table... Okay, wait. The table racing stuff. Hold on. Whoa. Hold on. Okay, I like this. Now... What? Okay. Oh, fuck, man. Am I about to get derailed into this? I think it would be sick as fuck. I actually, like, lock the fuck in, and I get B-hop and surf working, which is not that hard. The math is, like... Assuming I haven't deleted... That project isn't nuked. It's somewhere. We should be able... Okay... Okay, the pickle car. Are we really making a pickle car? I will open Blender. I'm not against the burger idea, okay? Wasn't there a burger car in SpongeBob? Am I crazy? Yeah, the movie, right? Wasn't there one in the SpongeBob movie? Like, are we looking like something like this? Oh my god, get out of my face with this. I'm not against it. Okay. I will make you. Oh my, he's on my head. I will give you guys I will give you guys a plane. Ugh. Am I really? Okay. Maybe. Maybe. Well, okay, but see, the problem is I'm trying to keep as many assets in this fucking thing, like, self-modeled as I can. I'll give you guys a bun. Patty. Or not patty, bun. Bun? Oh, wait, a hamster ball would be sick as fuck, but the pickle chucking, man. They want the people want to chuck pickles. Anybody know how many physics objects we can plop in this bitch before it starts becoming a problem? What's like the benchmarks at? Like, what do people like? What's the maximum number of physics before like? I mean, the physics calculation is going to be on the VPS anyway, so it's not going to fuck my stream too bad. But like, when does it break down? Like, I know we can have like a few hundred in a pile at least. Hold on. I know this looks stupid. You have to let me cook. Okay, hold on. Let me cook for a second. Let me just make some like shitty material slots for all of these. Just so I can have I'm not gonna have this many material slots when it goes, but you know, burger. Right now, you guys get low effort while I'm in the middle of getting derailed on Blender. Listen, I know you're like you're brand new, you're like just released, and you're a small indie studio or whatever the fuck, but like that is the most gross looking burger I've ever seen, but. Obviously, we need to like pull up these, you know, make that like up a little bit, and make this like up a little bit, or less a bit. Burger. Okay. I mean, maybe we get a slice of cheese in this bitch, you know? To be thinner and The European mind cannot comprehend the idea of... What am I doing with my life? Am I modeling a fucking burger right now? Actually, why is that circular? Who did that? That needs to be a cube, man. Like, who did that? It needs to be more orange, man. It's like this. Burger. Welcome to the Chris Body channel. Burger. Melt in the corners. Okay, I can give you some maybe melted corners. But I gotta like pull it back up. And give it like a little bit of geometry. Oh my god. We're turning into a scuffed Dug Dug is what's gonna happen. That's where this stream's going. We're going like back alley, like... It didn't really do anything, but it... True. Okay, but I take your suggestion and I raise you something even more deranged. Okay. I raise you up, let's... Okay. How many people want to have a page on my website that roughly shows, with relative accuracy, okay, I'm not going to guarantee perfect accuracy, the most recent face punch Discord messages? Let's say like the last 100. Who wants that and who wants burger? What am I working on? We're so fucked. Am I about to do this? Take the page on our site. See, I would like that as well, because the whole idea of Blue Tracker. Have you any Blizzard people know what I'm talking about? The Blizzard fans or whatever, like the Blue Tracker, where you can see like Blizzard posts on their forum, like whoever the fuck this is, which is a community manager showing off new raid, new dungeon. When is the next raid, actually? When's the world first happening? But, like, the burger... So, like, the reason burger, okay? The reason burger is because I would like to have the ability... Okay, so we give it pickle wheels and we're done. Let's see, pickle... Actually, we just give it wheels. And then we unfuck its UVs and we... Okay, hold on. Bear with me. Join. I think the origin... Is the origin okay? Make it fly? Oh my god, because it does kind of look like a flying saucer a little bit. Oh, wait, that's a good idea. Oh... Oh my god, shut up. Oh my god, it can shit ketchup out the bottom. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, wait, you're cooking. Hold on, wait, you're cooking. Hold on, wait. Before we get derailed, let's get derailed somewhere else first. Instamat, okay? Listen. I'm gonna raise your... Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I did smoke a little bit before stream. I am a little out of it. Just a little bit. Not enough to, like, affect what I... not enough that you could tell, unless I said something. I think. Okay, so let's unfuck all of these materials real quick. Is there an easy way to... Okay, Blender, listen. The fact that I have to do this is gross. So remove all these slots. You see? That's why... Okay. To the people in the room right now, that is why I was so fucking confused initially. You see, I'm not crazy. Because I don't know if that actually exists up there. I know I sound schizophrenic to everyone but the one person, but like that, I can't like I'm not elaborating more. So flying burger. Okay, so we need to unfuck the UVs because right now that is our UVs, all right, and that's not good. No, unpack? No, unwrap. No. Pack Islands is what I'm looking for. I was just, but I say, which word salad am I looking for? The fuck is that? Okay, give me a little bit more margin, please. A little bit more margin. Yeah. Okay. This is biblically accurate UV. All right? It can't hurt you. It's not real. Okay, so we have this, and we probably want to shade smooth the whole thing, right? Yeah. And then, okay, now what you're about to witness is fucking greatness. Now, I don't have to do this, but we're doing it anyway because we have something wrong with our brain. Not that one. Flyingburger.fbx. UVs are placed, everything's saved, save, boom, Instamat, okay? Instamat. If anyone's never seen Instamat, this is a really... If you like Photoshop, and you've ever been like, huh, I really wish they made Photoshop for 3D models, you gotta wake up. Because they have, and it's called Instamat. Well, more traditionally, it's called Substance Painter, but, you know. Currently, I'm not buying Substance Painter because mainly because it's Adobe horseshit right now, and I mean I'm not against buying the perpetual license, but like it also goes. It's also like hard to get people into it. So, you know, it's like you gotta pay for that shit. This though is free. Burger. Where's my burger? Burger. It's in the F's. That's right. I called it flying burger like a dumbass. I'm looking in the B's. Okay. So we create it without a template, and then we load in our burger in here. Okay. We got a burger. Lumi, where's Chris Pauly from? I need to know what his accent is. Because I need to, like, I want to, like, practice that accent. That's gonna be that's my next fun accent. Indonesia. Okay, does anybody know what Grobert accent is? Because it's similar. The small fish guy who made um the videos talking about the animation stuff. What is his accent? Because it's similar, but like I think he you could actually understand him. No, I'm telling you, it is like it's beautiful, is what it is. What am I clicking on? Okay. So, let's get the burger buns, and let's just like be a basic bitch about it. Let's just make it all shitty and just use noise because we're lazy. Multi-channel, not brush. You think I have hand skills? That's for when Lumi decides to like do whatever. So let's get this like a bun color. Okay, and it's like, okay, great. Now the whole thing is this. Okay, listen. There's a filter. Mesh submask mask. So we can go boom and we can go boom. Look at that. Okay, we got burger buns. All right, look at those buns. And that's the base, okay? So if we duplicate this bitch, okay, and we keep the same mask, we can go over here to... Actually, I guess we could also just fuck with the roughness as well. But I think it makes sense to also change some color based on some noise. So if we go to graph resource, I think there's some noise in this bitch. What noise in general? Simplex fractal sum, maybe? I know this looks stupid. Oh, why does it look... Oh, because we're, Hold on, let's go from triplano to UV. So what happened with these sides here? Ah, you see? I'm a dumbass. Why was I added in leadership? Oh, that's why. Okay, I can, yeah, okay. I need a drink, true. So I fucked it up. I will unfuck it, okay? I will unfuck it. How about that? So I need to, before I unfuck that, I need to unfuck this. So we need to put the seam here. Mark seam. Mark seam. So we want, we basically want to do the same thing to everything, and I know it's fucked up. And I know I'm a dumbass, and I fucked this up big time. And the reason I'm putting the seam on the bottom is the same reason that... Same reason your mom wears those shorts. Yeah, and what you're witnessing here is part of the reason why I was being lazy with the sofa, and I didn't, like, I hear you, precious. I woke the kitty up. We're fucked. I mean, that's why there's a crack in it. I know, my kitty. I hear you. Come here. Demon. And then we mark that seam as well. Okay, and then we're done. We just push it back up and we make sure that everything is kind of one big gelatinous blob. Wait, sorry for what? I don't... Okay, now that looks so much better. Now I'm pretty sure we're good. FBX to the flying burger. Now, sadly, I gotta come back over here and I gotta re-import this. Now, listen, you're like, oh fuck, I did it and it's not fucking fixed. It's still all fucking dumb. And it's like, okay, that's fine, because the way we were basically working with procedural filters. We didn't hand paint shit. And even if we did, it would only fuck up if the UVs were moved. Or, actually, can you paint on a project? I forget what. Alright, don't. Hi, Precious. Come here, hug. Hi, hug. Oh my goodness, she's so sweet. I just tapped my shoulder, and she's literally like leaning over my shoulder like I'm carrying her. Like a fucking, like a fucking dude in a fucking movie carrying a guy out of a trench, you know? Fucking, you know what I'm trying to say. And she's like the pets. It's such a nice hug. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you, good kitty. Oh, you're so nice. There's an ant. I see an ant. Oh my god, I need to get ant repellent. Or I gotta get pepper spray to blind you guys. Like, knock you back and like blur your vision or something. Oh, there's so much I could do. Press this. Chill. Assets. Meshes. Flying burger. Re-import. Press this. I know. Poor baby. And then you can see now, it looks good. Oh, I know, Precious. I know you're just a sweet, sweet kitty that you're about to knock everything I own and break it. Come here, give me a hug. Maybe what I do is I start trying to add... Oh, okay, you can see there is a bit of problem, though. But maybe what I start doing is try to add one thing to carry a day. That's, like, impactful, you know? Farm engagement. But you might notice a problem. You're like, wait, why does it look so fucked here? And you're right, it does look fucked right there, and the cat's about to hit the BRB button. So if it goes to that, hopefully I realize fast enough. But the reason why it looks fucked here is if I go UV, you can see it disappears. Because we're now, like, organizing this based on, like, the UV coordinates, like here. Like, we're projecting it based on the UVs. Actually, it might make more sense when you look at it like this. Oh, that didn't update. But triplanar, like, that's where this blurring's coming in. Oh, there we go. Precious. Thank you for that. So, like, you can actually adjust the softness, and actually, even here, there's some blur. I don't know if there's anything that we can do. The anti-aliasing helps some. You can see we get some of the detail back. But it doesn't look nearly as good as the UV here. I think the UV looks way more consistent. Like there's no blur or weird shit here. Which is part of the reason why like having good UVs, if you can afford to have them, is better than doing this triplanar projection. Like if you can set your UVs up to just work the way you need them to, and you don't have to do any fancy shit, shit will just come out looking nicer. And actually what I need to do... Sorry, I just realized, never mind. Precious, chill, honey. Oh my god. And I used the wrong filter here. I need to pick, Kitty, come on, you're done. I love you, but get down. Go terrorize Beans for a little bit. Oh my god. Beans, taunt off, Jesus. Yeah, the burnt burgers. I think it's a mesh mask builder that I need. But after this one, and I need to change the color of this to be none. Well, no, just a flat color, which is maybe like a dark brown. And then from here, no, not mesh painting, mesh builder. And then from here, actually, we just have some grunge that's built in, maybe? Oh, I hear you, honey. I don't know why, Oh, I know. Poor kitty. Princess! Come here. Quit being so loud. My god. Princess. I hear you being a demon. Poor Beans is trying to sleep. Poor kitty. Gradient. It's just maybe not what I want to do. I don't know if this is what I want to do. A mesh mask, maybe? No, this is just the big, but for whatever. Mesh projected mask? Mesh UV shell mask? Interesting. I don't know what all the masks options are. Projected mask, shadow mask, submask volume. I'm looking to try to find something. Actually, you know what is a projected mask that I need, actually. We want it clamped, I think, so that when I pull it up. So that what we're hopefully it's clear what we're doing now. You see when I come over here, where I can select the top part of this, and what I can do now is I can change this image to a picture of some noise, or like a thing of some noise. And if we make it maybe some shape noise, maybe, and we change the scale up to like 128. It almost is there. I know it looks a little weird. All right, hopefully you're seeing the, you know, hopefully getting the idea. Actually, projecting that on UV looks really good. Can I change this? Just triplanar, it looks okay. And then, I'm pretty sure if we come back over here, we change the color to something a little better. I mean, because this is supposed to be, like, brighter, right? Burger, hold on. Kind of want them to be white, right? Or like a... Something like desaturated. But like this? That kind of looking burgery. Does that look kind of burger? I think we can agree that a burger has no metalness. Well, no, it's got a little bit of iron in it, right? Know what I'm saying? Hi, Precious. You're such a good kitty. I know, you're such a good kitty. Does that look like a moldy burger or sesame seeds? Or both? Can we agree that's kind of both? I think we can agree it's both. Precious, I W you to death. Come here. Oh, I W. But can you please just chill? Okay? In business hours, can you please chill? Okay? Between like... You know, just lay down here and be nice. You know, you don't have to be crazy. It's not a prerequisite. You can get attention and not be crazy. Oh, what do you hear? Poor kitty. You want a hug? You want a hug? Oh, you're so nice. Good kitty. Okay, I think we can all agree that's sesame seeds. And if you disagree, you're... You gotta... You're dumb. You're the right princess. Sesame seeds. My kitty. Rhombus. Box. Circle. You know what? Rhombus kind of looks better. Okay. So, burger. Buns. Now, hear me out. We're going to duplicate this layer. Like, okay, well, what are you doing? Other than crashing your editor. And petting a kitty. Well, we're gonna change... We're gonna change this color. And we're gonna disable these other maps. And we're gonna change this to like a darker color. Of a brown. Maybe with a little bit of more saturation. Maybe like a this color. And then we're gonna remove the projected mask. And we're gonna add in a what's it called? It is a pick from library. We're looking for a gradient or light. I think gradient's what I want. Mesh gradient. This does not appear to be, this does not appear to be doing what I want, so let's try the light. I mean, it's doing what I want, but it's not doing it well. A light mask? So if we rotate it like this, so that it points up, and then like, you know, like underneath everything maybe? See, it's kind of not really working. Never mind. We're just gonna go, why am I making a burger? It's what the people want. I am a slave to the ants in my room. Mesh mask builder. Did I not rebuild after I did the... But we're making burger because people want a burger? Now, is that why it was broken? It was why it was broken. Look at that. Okay, that's okay. Just give me like something. Can I like blur this? Because if I could blur that, it would look less like a... We don't care, actually. Back to 0. I think it looks okay, actually. Okay, so we go, lettuce now. Which is just going to be simple. Okay, we go lettuce, which will be, let's just duplicate the original and put it on the top. And we're going to choose now you. Yeah, flying burger. Yeah. I would love to elaborate, but there's not really anything else to elaborate on. And I'm... No, lettuce is a little reflective. I think we'd agree with that. Lettuce is like... I mean, it definitely makes your poop reflective. Yeah. So, lettuce. Alright, now we need, let's just shittily do the cheese. Okay. Cheese color is looking okay. Now the burger color. Now we need to adjust. I'm dying. Sorry, press this. Press. Stop it. Burger. So why did I do the I should have just done the ambient occlusion across the whole thing. Why did I just do it on the corners? Am I dumb? Because I could just go do this. I know presses, couldn't I? I could just do this. Like, watch this presses. If I just go new multi-channel, not multi-channel brush, multi-channel layer, and we set this to like a darkish kind of brown. And we add in a mesh mask builder. We just go ambient occlusion. And it's like, look, AO just everywhere. I do believe that is a burger. I do believe that is burger presses. Yeah, it's a burger. Now we gotta make it fly true. Okay, so. Let's export out. Now this doesn't need to be, this needs to be like 1024 by 1024 is fine. So tester, textures, oh yeah, we're gonna cook. Just Precious, chill, honey, chill. Chill the hell out. That's what I thought. Precious. I know. So we're just gonna export them. Alright. Burger textures are out. I have to open up the sandbox. And I know somebody asked this like an hour ago if you can have 2 instances of sandbox open, and no. I think you can family share an account though. But I don't know how Steam, if Steam likes that. Having 2 Steam accounts open at the same time. I dub you, Precious. Can you please be chill? Burger. Look at my little farmer down there. Look at him. You see him? I see him. Oh my god. Oh god, I have such a good idea. Am I about to get derailed on this bit? So what we could do, because we do need to add plants and stuff, we could, we could we could literally allow farming. But say everything needs to be like a lot of stuff needs to be recompiled. I haven't opened this project since the update. Well, I have, but like, no, I have opened it since the update actually. Or have I? Precious, get down, down. If you can't be normal and not stop knocking stuff over, you're getting down. Okay, remember the reason why this looks so bad is this is pulling the editor stuff. This is pulling from the damn the game settings. There we go. The table is really reflective. I need to adjust that. I know. I hear you. This is desk 2, yeah? Or is this desk 1? This is desk 1. I think I just need to pull it back just a little bit. Yeah. Because pulling it all the way down like this looks awful. Well, you know what? That actually doesn't look bad. I do think, like, it needs to... Because, like, right here is its neutral. Like, pull it to, like... Pull it back just a little bit to maybe, like, here. Ow, fucking... Everything's so fucking laggy with so much stuff open. Okay, okay, regardless. New... Flying... Burger. Gary. There it is. Flying burger. I don't think we actually have any normals to fuck with. AO didn't get exported? Um... Am I, I don't know why the ambient occlusion channel wasn't present. And ambient occlusion didn't even fucking apply to it. Do it or not, whatever, just send it. I still want the color though. Just maybe less opacity. Annoying. There we go. Oh, hold on. Also, I gotta change. Output category? I think is what I need, because we need it to be underscored the name of the category, and it will be auto-picked up. No, actually, I don't think it will be. It's only for the materials. Graph category. Format type. Whatever, I don't care anymore. I was gonna have the ending be, because I don't know if they've... There's the potential in the future for the fucking... For me to want to set this name correctly, for shit to be, like... added correctly. It doesn't matter. Uh... Okay. So if I go back to our material, so our model, I'm gonna go through burger, burger. Burger. Oh yeah, sorry, it's live. I'm just I there's a lot I need to do, and I need to unfuck my chat. YouTube chat is whatever. Do. So you go here, and you get the burger. Burger. It didn't auto. Oh. Hey, look at that! You see what I just did? How it auto placed it, and it's like sick as fuck because Face Punch is like. You see how like my editor's like stroking out? Did you see how the normal is sorry, the I was gonna see if I could make it work, but no. I was gonna see if I could make the parallax work, but it doesn't make sense for this object anyway. I'm pretty sure that effect you really want it to be on a flat surface. Get your burger. So like, how big should burger be? I think it should be the size of like a Terry, roughly, right? Like, it should like look good for him to be sitting in it. Not burnt. It's just dimly lit. One of the rare times that we want this to be a rigid body, I'm pretty sure. So, how do you chair use? Do I need these to be set? Terry disabled, is my mouse unfucked? It is. Though the stutter I think we're seeing is because I've got an unbelievable amount of shit open right now. I think. It is unbelievably stuttery. Is there an option to like set settings in here? Because this is like kind of cranked MSA settings. Oh, there we go. I don't know where the little stripes are coming from. How do you use the chair? Get down, down. True. See, you see, you're thinking. You're already kind of picking up what I'm thinking of. I don't know how. I don't know how to use the chair. You have to. You have to. Do I need to actually do an action to use it? It's just weird because. Oh. Well, because when I press, it does a thing when I press E. Because well, it's doing a thing right now. Like you see, like on spam E, it says illegal path missing extension past an airline seat recliner normal, which I think is a non-problem. Oh, it's missing the icon. Open vtuber. A new window, please. Fuck. um, huh. Um, I'm confused. I'm confused. I don't know what the problem is. If the player network owner is not equal to the caller. Um, can enter. Well, the seat's done. It's just I don't know why it's not working. Project truck. It's got to win the lottery, and then you can be like Gary. If player is null, return false. If is occupied. Okay, hold on. Let's just return true always. So it's saying can enter. So can enter is happening whenever you look at it. Okay. Is there something in the docs for this? Easy, kitty. I'm okay, hold on. I need to understand this. So I think See, press, which is the iPressable. So where am I doing the iPressable? This was on player. I need to clean up all of this. Precious, you gotta chill. Or not. Fuck me. Precious, stop it. Jesus. Precious. Wait, that's right. I don't have, it's built in the player controller. I'm not doing anything custom. So wait, what on the player controller is broken then? Kitty. You're fucking killing me. Okay, so nothing. Command, you mean like, fuck, that's the pattern that, like, apps like Photoshop and stuff do, that you can, like, undo. Like, if you keep the whole order, if you keep all the commands, you can, like, rewind, right? Like the Control Z undo pattern, or whatever the fuck, right? I think it like would probably depend on what you're doing. Like actually you mentioned the StarCraft Q attack. Like for the StarCraft stuff, actually, that makes like in there like makes perfect sense. Where you like, you know, like let's say you queue up like one unit to build a bunch of different shit. And then let's say you press controls to hear something in the thing to undo. I don't know if you would. I don't know if it'd be trying to force it everywhere though. I don't know. But for something like that, yeah. I think it'd be okay. I don't know if I'd go like the traditional like. Actually, I don't even know the way I'd do it. I'd go the route that gets the chair working. Because mine don't work. Is there like a... Okay, hold on. Somebody's gotta make had a guide on this, right? So learn... so, hold on. Is there any anybody know of any demos that are out that have a chair? Does whatever testing have it? The scene whatever the fuck? Is there a cloud asset for a chair? Like a functional one? Because these are just models. It'd be under prefabs, I think. I don't know. I'm like so fucking confused on why it not work. Why didn't know it working? So I'm obviously interacting with it and it's working. Or like the interaction's going through. That I'm like pretty fucking sure of. I'm missing something obvious here. Clearly. Missing something very simple, very obvious. One, let's just double check. Sanity check this to make sure that this interaction is coming from here. If I disable use pressing, we play over here. No more tooltip. No more horse shit. Let's just add in a fake fucking icon. Because every time I press D on it, that icon would fuck up. But if we come back over here, and we turn on this, and we hit play, you can see every time I press E, it puts another one of those things in. I don't know if that means it's failing. Maybe. This is gonna this should say null. Or not, it should either give us null or no, I think. Or it should be false, actually. The reason it says false is because we're not giving it the right thing. And actually, if we pass in Terry, it should then say true. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. And the reason that is because Huh. I don't know. I don't know the problem. Actually, good idea though. Um, you didn't mean to say this, or you didn't give this idea, but oh, I'm gonna say, what the fuck am I looking at? Fucking gizmos. Okay. I forgot there's that option now. What? Okay. Operation figure out the fucking chair, and then fix the other fucking thing. I don't know why I don't do it this way. Chair. I don't know the problem. Now, replacing this fully wouldn't be that hard. But it would... Out of... Like, look, he even, like, when you sit on it, when you click him, it looks normal. The damn tooltip's even working, kind of. I guess it's working over here as well, it's just inside. So hold on. The thing is, I don't see the path of it being broken though. That's the because I'm looking at this. I don't see where it's fucked up. Hi beans. Uh, cam press. Oh, this is. I mean, to be fair, something could have broke because I don't know if this has been touched in a minute. We should be able to. The fuck is this? I have an idea. Means stop chasing the fucking cursor. Okay, that's fine. Because now we can actually check and see. The fuck in the chain is it broke? What? Am I the fucking biggest retard on the planet or what? I know the problem. I think. I'm a fucking retard and what I am. Oh my god. Anyone take guesses of what the fuck the problem is? So notice here how this is a network object, but you see it has no owner? We're basically controlling this locally on the host, but we don't actually fucking own it. Because I didn't spawn this in through the normal... I know the problem. Precious, this is not the fucking time. You're pissing me off. Get... Is there still... can you still make commands? Like, can you still, like, make console commands for games? I'm getting tilted. You can. I love how like everything is around. Fuck me, man. Do I really want to spaghetti code this? Because that's what I'm about to do. I'm not gonna do this right now. What I'm gonna do instead? Oh my god. Do. Losing my fucking mind. Yes, I am. Close everything. Okay, I'm slowly becoming tilted. Okay, actually, what I'm gonna do, because this is unbelievably annoying, I've got a fucking thing I've gotta go fix, and it's gonna take me a long fucking time to fix it, and I have to fix it sooner than later. Okay, it's a fucking thing that needs to be resoldered and fucked. So before I lose my fucking mind and my computer being a steaming pile of dog shit, I'm gonna go fix that. And since I need to restart my computer because I haven't restarted it in a minute, I'm gonna end it fucking early. I literally might be back in like 2 hours. I don't fucking know. But I'm like unbelievably tilted. Piece of shit computer. I know the problem though. The problem is I was being a dumbass and I don't actually have the object of the person trying to get in the fucking seat isn't the owner. Because I'm a dumbass. But I figured it out. And this is what happens when you don't follow the typical workflows of things, you know? You just... So, as much as I hate it, maybe S&box needs to stay unpopular, you know? Because the play fun's kind of popping off. Almost $8 today? Like, this is crazy. Now again, that's not like a whole lot of money compared to the hours that I stream, but I'm gonna be streaming these hours fucking regardless. That, like, more than pays for, like, the costs of existing to keep stuff going, you know? Well, not existing, but, like, the server, domain, all the, like, infrastructure. Gatekeep sweep, yep. See, Lime's got the idea. He need his idea of knock out the competition before they can, you know, take all the play fund money. That's the play. Now we gotta put some effort into the overlay so that we don't get swept up in the bullshit. Which is why we're making the flying burger and I have a few ideas I want to do with it, but I will be back, regardless if worst case tomorrow. I just got some shit to do. I have to go fucking deal with a broken fucking wire, and it's tedious. Long story. But I'll be back, maybe, if I don't fucking shock myself to death. I might be back later, but I don't know. Definitely tomorrow. I might finish the little page overlay while I'm waiting for like Cody and Lumi to stop being dumb. Sorry, the yellow posts. I'll post about it in the Discord if I get the yellow post stuff working. Though I'm not gonna do it up like absolutely proper, like some yellow posts might be missed. Like, basically, if the reconnect retransmit doesn't function, then the message is gonna be gone. I'm not like making requests to like read channel messages. I could. The whole idea is to basically make it like a, oh, somebody said something. Basically see if anyone's like, you know, any face punch people are talking about anything interesting. Or like when Layla fucking posts like progress just randomly in the fucking channel and it gets buried by like 1,500 other comments. That's what I'm trying to fix. And then deletes it. Does he actually? I've not seen him delete any, but maybe that's the point. And then when I do this and it works, watch it get like a little popular and people use it. And then the face punch like changes like their fucking like they start like fucking they adapt. Like I'm talking about like the stills he random or the videos he randomly posts in the fucking in like the development channel that just show like random thing. Ban all self-bot users. I'm not a self-bot. It's a official something. Now, to be fair, this type of self-bot I'm doing is a little spooky because I'm WebSocket connecting directly to Discord. But again, I'm not making requests, really. I'm not going to be doing anything crazy. So hopefully,